Good morning, Fairweather Farm. Today we're going to show you how to replace a broken pull rope from our BCS tractor, which has a Honda GX390 engine on it. In order to change the rope, I have to take off the starter mechanism, and to take off the starter mechanism I will have to take off this bush guard because it interferes with my ability to get at the bolts. So I'm going to remove the grill guard, pull it down, take off the starter mechanism, change the rope, and reinstall the starter, and then reinstall the bush guard, and that'll be the end of it.